I am inside the UiPath Assistant and I will start a process. This process will be able to answer my questions. So let's see. I will have a process where I can select the categories. So let's say that I want to talk about Excel, and on Excel I want to say how I scrape data to Excel. Yeah. So to be able to scrape a data to Excel, here I will get a movie from where I'm able to scrape data from Excel. So this will answer to my question with a video. If I go to Microsoft Teams, I will put here a question, I will write something, Excel read range, and this will start and show me a video exactly from the point that someone will use the read range activity. You have here Gabi. And if I go to Slack and I ask something on Slack, for example, how I log into SAP, this will open a movie exactly from the time where Marcelo will log into SAP, explain me how to log into SAP. So, hello everyone, my name is Cristian Neculescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. Today we'll talk about how to build your own video learning platform. So let's understand what is the idea with this video learning platform. So, the idea is like this. I will use UiPath Orchestrator, and inside of the Orchestrator, I will use data service. And in this data service, I will use a new UiPath tool that will scrape the data from YouTube and put it on the Orchestrator, and then I can access this data with UiPath Assistant, with Slack, with Teams, and so on. So let's understand the main issue. When someone will go and search on the internet for something, let's say that on UiPath, you need to Excel automation. So you will see that you will find a lot of videos on in case of UiPath, but we can talk about any type of platform, not only UiPath. And you need to have the ability to select exactly what you need. So for this, you need to search on this video, and this could be boring. So the idea is to build a system. So to build a system where someone, a teacher, someone that is expert on the system that you build, in our case in learning UiPath, will select videos from YouTube. Videos from YouTube, they have also chapters. So for example, in my case here, if I go to my channel and I say, let's say PDF, let's say PDF, and you'll see that this video has chapters. Yeah. So so here you have a list with all the elements. So basically, you can see here that you have for the video you have all the items. You see here, you see all the chapters. When I join a PDF, where I read the PDF, where I extract the data table, how I extract with different cases, and so on. Yeah. So the idea is that inside of this system, I will provide you a tool where you will be able to extract data from YouTube. So you can extract the chapters from YouTube, and basically you can organize the data that you have. You can organize inside of YouTube chapters, YouTube videos that is starting from the exactly second. So when you will go to when the end user will go to ask a question. Here it's with select. You see on the I will see on Slack, on Microsoft Teams. You can have search. Yeah. So when someone has a question, for example, how to go to SAP and fill a subtable. Yeah. When you go on this one, he will show you a video that is guaranteed, but because someone has filtered this video, and on this video you will see exactly the part where the data table is filling. Yeah, so how to fill the data table. So he will go exactly on the point of the video from a YouTuber that was already selected by someone that know the system. So let's come back to this one. you will have a UiPath orchestrator data service, yeah? Someone will use this script to be able to select the videos and organize the videos on the capitals on different layers and chapters and so on, yeah? And then you will have the ability to access the data from UiPath Assistant, as I send you here, from Slack. So you will have here a full code how to access from Slack, yeah? So from Slack, you go on Slack, you on a channel, you will put a question where you will so you can write something and the system will search and provide you the video, or you can ask for a menu. Let's start the process again. And I will go here and I want, for example, a menu, yeah? So I will say menu, and you'll provide me a menu with all the items that I have there. So I can ask about Salesforce, I can ask about SAP, about ServiceNow, about how to work with the data service, with you see here with Link, AI Center. So I have a lot of stuff. So there are around 900 videos. So let's say that I want menu 12, and on menu 12, I will see all the videos that I have for files and folders. Yeah. And he will provide me exactly the links on chapters and so on. So you can structure very well. So how to use the configuration hi-fi, how to move files, how to trigger when the files. So we'll go here. He will provide me a video from the point that someone explained, in this case me, explain how to use move files. Yeah. So the idea is to have data that is already selected by someone, and this data should be accessed by the employees from your company in very easy way. Very easy way means Slack or Microsoft Teams. You can access the same stuff with Microsoft Teams. Let's start the workflow. So I will start here the workflow, and you will see that also from Microsoft Teams. If I ask something on Microsoft Teams, so I'll go to Microsoft Teams, and I will go here and ask something. Let's say that I want Excel read range, yeah? So I'll ask Microsoft Teams for read range, and the system will go and communicate with the orchestrator, start a robot, analyze the data, and he will provide you a video exactly from someone used the read range activity. Yeah. So the advantage on this system is that you have filter data, and you have the exact time of the movie where something is happening. So instead of younger developers search on the internet and get a lot of videos and waste their time on the video, so Microsoft Orchestrator, let's say, UiPath Orchestrator, waste their time on different videos and understand which is the best, where is good explain or not, you can go with this tool, and with this tool, look, I get the answer here, and you will have an exact video where Gabby explain where it's the read range, yeah, how to use the read range stuff. So the advantage of the platform is to have sorted videos with exact time, which the sort system, it's very simple. I mean, I showed in the movie all the script stuff, how to build this stuff for the teacher, how to build this stuff on the data service, and then you have the scripts to be able to access this data from UiPath Assistant, Slack, or Teams. Very easy, yeah. So all the young people that you have on the on your company will be able to learn UiPath in this case, because you can use this this tool for any type of learning systems, not only UiPath. I did this example with UiPath because I work in UiPath and I provide a lot of videos on the internet about UiPath. But this you can use for any type of system. So via Slack, via UiPath Assistant, via Microsoft Teams, you will be able to get the answers for your questions very, very fast in a video exactly on the point where the video is starting, on the exact second. And this way, you will help a lot your team to grow up, to learn fast, and to learn from a trusted source. Yeah. So that's the idea of building your own video learning platform using these tools. And in the last 8 videos, so let's go back here on my channel. In the last 8 videos, I explain and I share with you, as usual, I share the code. So in the last videos, I have all this code, this with YouTube. I share the code, how to build a workflow, how to build a workflow that will extract data from YouTube, how to build a search engine. I share the code that I put here on the UiPath Assistant. I share the code how to build a database. I share all the database with you for UiPath. The code that I use here, I show you how to configure with Power Automate. I share all the code on Slack. Yeah, because on Slack I use the Node.js. Yeah, so I share also all this code, and I provide you all the information to be able to build this system. Yeah. So remember, the huge advantage is to cut the learning time of your young developers. And because the information on YouTube now is huge on different areas, it's better to have a simple way to filter, to have filter data. And with this filter data, your team will be on a fast way for implementation and so on. Yeah. So if you have any questions, as usual, please come to my YouTube channel and ask me what questions, comment on my YouTube videos and ask me what else you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.